This is how to add Bitcoin in Metamask.
First you want to do is head on over to the App Store, look up Metamask, and update and install this app right here with the Fox logo. Once you've updated and installed Metamask, open up the app. If you don't already have an account and you open up Metamask for the first time, you're going to go ahead and go through the steps of setting up your account and make sure it is secure by adding a good password and your security phrase. If you're confused on what that means, just go through the steps and you'll find out. And you need to set up your account fully before you start buying any Bitcoin or adding a Bitcoin at all. All right, once you have your account set up and ready to go, we're going to go on the top where it says Ethereum main network. Press on that. Press on add network. And under these popular networks, you're going to see BNB chain. We're going to press on add for that. Confirm. Switch to network. And then from here, once you've added the BNB chain, we're going to press on import tokens. We're going to go to search and look up the BTC. And right here, the first option where it says Bitcoin BEP2, that is Bitcoin. So press on that to check mark it, go to next. Import, and now you see Bitcoin is now added to our chain. That is how to add Bitcoin to MetaMask.